They do, don't they?
Yeah.
They are a lot like stairs.
Yeah, because if they look like stairs, then they would have to be a lot more shorter.
Yeah, I guess so. That's a good point.
Longer, too.
They are long, aren't they? Wow. Long and huge. Yep, I think your mommy's right. More stairs. And these stairs are shorter.
Hey Dylan, do you remember what happened here? Yeah, right there, huh? One of the biggest spiders I've ever seen. Do you remember what kind it was?
No.
This is Dolomedes scriptus, also known as a fishing spider.
Can you get us some sticks?
Well, pick one up.
That one right there, Dylan? Oh, yeah? Okay. Yeah?
No, I'm not going to see it. You're not going to see it.
Find a stick.
Look at this water. Don't get that.
How about this one, Dylan?
I got one.
I'll break that up into a couple of pieces so you can share. Yeah. Here.
There you go.
Here, Dylan.
Can you give me a stick?
Yep, take a piece.
I'm going to take two. No, I'm getting one. I'm getting two.
There.
Right.
Now, throw it. Throw it upstream. Upstream. Turn
That
around,
way.
Abby. Yeah.
Can you give me another stick?
Go grab it.
I don't
Whoops.
see it.
I just kicked. Well, they went down real fast. Grab another one, Abby. Grab that one. Dylan, you want to go find some more? Okay, throw it in upstream. Upstream, Abby. Come here. Now throw it in and then turn around really fast. Over here. It was down there. See? Well, you missed it. Okay, go grab another stick.